In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature line in your document. Whether you're preparing an official contract, a formal letter, or simply a document that requires a formal sign-off, understanding how to add a signature line can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and get started with these steps. First, you need to decide where you want the signature line to go in your document. Envision your layout and consider the flow and aesthetic of your content. Once you've determined the perfect spot, place your cursor there. This is important because wherever your cursor is positioned, that's exactly where the signature line will appear once we've walked through these steps together. Now, it's time to navigate to the Insert tab. You can find this at the top of your interface among other options like Home, Design, and Layout. Click on Insert, and you'll see a variety of groups appear. For our purposes today, focus your attention on the text group. It is here that you'll find our next key action point, the Signature Line option. Upon clicking Signature Line, a dialog box labeled Signature Setup will pop up. It's here that you can customize your signature line to meet your needs. Let's break this down. You'll see several fields available for you to input information. There's a space for the suggested signer's name. This is where you'll type the name of the individual who is expected to sign the document. Next, enter their title, if it's relevant to the document's context, like Manager or Director of Operations. Additionally, there's an optional field for an email address, which can be handy for tracking purposes or sending digital copies. But the customizations don't end there. There are a few checkbox options designed to enhance the functionality of your signature line. For instance, you might choose to allow the signer to add comments. This can be a useful feature if you expect there to be additional notes or clarifications needed by the signer. Similarly, you'll find an option to show the signing date. This can be crucial for documentation that needs an official timestamp. Consider your document's purpose and decide which of these options you'd like to select. Once you've filled in all necessary fields and made your choices with the checkbox options, simply click OK. You'll see that a signature line appears in your document where your cursor was initially placed. This line will have an X, indicating where the signer needs to provide their signature. With that, you've successfully inserted a signature line into your document. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the professionalism and functionality of your paperwork. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.